Hello traders, today we will talk about AXLM or AXLM. What should you do if you have this stock? Should you buy or should you buy more kasi bumagsak siya kahapon? Or should you sell already or should you hold lalo na sa mga ipit, di ba? And in this video, we will also talk about CIRTEK or TEK. Should you hold it lalo na sa mga ipit, lalo na nabili nung 13 pesos per share, or should you buy more or average down, or should you sell or cut your losses already? And last thing, we will talk about fruit, no? Kung why does fruit break out the 1.69 or 1.70 level pesos per share? It is okay ba to buy more or it is sign na for you to sell, or it is good for you to hold the stock? So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will always get the latest content that I make for you to be equipped with the latest market happening. So thank you guys for subscribing and supporting this channel and watching our informative video, kasi may nakikita akong mga tao nagko-comment na this is a very informative, very helpful daw sa kanila, and then I want to give my sincerest appreciation dahil napapahalagahan nyo yung ginagawa nating ganitong session, di ba? And I also see na may iba tayong mga Filipinos out there na gustong matuto, especially the OFW, kasi nakikita ko sa YouTube channel ko na may mga ilang mga Filipino OFW na nanonood from Saudi, UAE or Dubai or Singapore at marami pang iba. So again, thank you for your support. And today, we will talk about first the latest news na nangyari doon sa Tektite Tower dyan sa PSE. If you are not aware, meron daw nangyaring sunog mga 9:45 or 9:50 ng umaga kahapon. So, let's check the index first. Ang alam ko, yung index opened gap up yesterday and closes at the bullish candle, which is 76.16, no, but still below the MA9. So let's see what is the market reaction, what is the market sentiment for Friday, lalo't na may nangyaring negative sentiment about doon sa Tektite Tower, and I hope sana walang nasaktan or worst case may namatay. So let's see kung ano ang magiging reaction ng tao doon sa nangyaring incident. Sana naman di ganun kalaki or ganun kalala yung impact nung nangyaring sunog sa ating market. So today, let's proceed to AXLM, no? So last Wednesday, AXLM closed in a bullish candle with 21.11% gain, closing at 3.5. So if you are familiar, kung nag-attend kayo sa mentoring session, if you are familiar on how to use Fibonacci retracement, we will see or clearly see that we have a resistance at 3.53, saktong-sakto, no? At a Fib 618 ratio, di ba? So nag-open siya ng a little bit gap up, but still, di ba? Kung makikita nyo, still cannot break the resistance. If this break, no, you can buy shares, diba? Pwede kayo mag-test buy, but there is also an immediate resistance of 3.63. So I am still watching closely the 3.53 level pesos per share. So the support or the minor support na makikita nyo na sa Fibs 50 is the 3.33, diba? Pesos level per share. So, ayan, medyo nagko-confluence, 'di ba? Nakikita niyo tong green candle, 'di ba? Trying to break out the 3.33 but still nahirapan, then bumagsak. So, let's see kung this Friday, kung itong 3.33 mag-hold or mag-breakdown na. So, kung may shares kayo, 'di ba, na nakabili kayo dito sa may 3.53, medyo mali or maling-mali kasi you are buying at the resistance, taking profit time to ng mga tao. And as you can see, yung sa downside niya may volume. So, if you will ask for my advice or for my opinion, I will still avoid this stock. So, itong surge na to, kung hindi nyo nasakyan, might as well wag nang humabol kasi you are just losing money kapag humabol ka. The risk is much greater than the reward. So, again, ulitin ko, if the 3.33 doesn't hold, kung nakabili kayo on top of the 3.53, which is mali kasi you are buying at the resistance. May resistance dito and may resistance dito. And if you calculate the risk is much greater than the reward, diba? Kung bumili ka dito, the risk is greater, like 6%, and the reward is around wala pang 4% diba? So, talong-talo ka, diba? So, do not buy at the resistance. Pero kung nagkamali kayo, well, that is lesson for you to be learned. Kung nakabili kayo dito, again, if the 3.33 doesn't hold, you should cut your losses already. If you bought at a much lower price, kunwari sa breakout dito or breakout DMA, breakdown from this level of support, you must take your profit already, no? So, take note also, there's a heavy volume then of selling, diba? And malaki ang potential that the 3.33 support level for Friday will not hold. So, check natin kung ano ang mangyayari. So, again, if 3.33 doesn't hold, cut your losses or take profit already. And if 3.53 or the Fib 618 break out, diba? So, you might test buy. So, yun. Then, we talk about tech or CIRTEK naman. Ay. Ayan. So, CIRTEK, like what we have discussed doon sa previous video ko na sa YouTube tutorial na tech, naipit ako anong dapat gawin. So if you haven't watched this video yet, please watch it because in this video I explain more clearly kung naipit ka, you bought it at the high, ano ang dapat mong gawin. Should you cut your losses na ba? Should you buy some more, average down, or if you bought at the much lower price, should you take profit already or should you buy? It is the right time to buy. So please watch this because I clearly explain kung ano ang dapat mong gawin. So just a recap, short recap lang. I already told you that the stock might trade on the range of from 3.7 to 11.4, diba? So, sabi ko, dun sa video na yun, just a short recap, kindly watch out the 10.8 major support if this holds. So, kung nakikita nyo kahapon, nag-breakdown siya sa 11.4 but luckily, or buti naman, nag-hold ang 10.8 level support. So, if you have the stomach to hold, even you are experiencing a great losses kasi kung makikita nyo, kung nakabili kayo dito sa pinakatuktok, you are losing around, diba, like 18%. Kaso ang support level ng is major support level is the 10.8, so it might be you will incur around 20%, diba, losses kung nakabili ka sa top. So kung kaya mo pa siyang i-hold, diba, sa mga diba, sa mga taong nagkamali, nakabili at the high. So ito yung risk or potential risk na pinapakita ko sa inyo if you can still endure the pain of paper losses. So Again, the overall sentiment, if 10.8 holds, there will be no problem and the stock might trade within this range, diba? Magbabounce malamang, then mag-up, mag-break out, mag-consolidate, then there will be a time na bago mag-break out the 10.7 level, 10.7 pesos level per share. So please kindly watch out for this stock. So overall sentiment, there is no volume on selling, diba? So overall, tech or CIRTEK is completely in a bullish pattern. So there's no reason for you to panic, diba? So kung meron kang hawak and you are in great losses basta itong major support doesn't break down, please still hold, but the decision is always up to you. I'm just here, or we are just here, just telling you some sort of advice dahil ito yung naging experience namin way back before. So sinashare namin sa inyo, but do not held us liable kapag it doesn't go the way we wanted, right? This is the market, we cannot predict the market, we will just base on the chart. And remember, always please remember that behind this chart, behind this abstract lines or candlestick, there are people buying or selling the stock, there are people making decisions, there are people trying to make money on the market, diba? So ganun lang. So again, please, if this, watch out this very strong support na 10.8. If it holds, okay tayo, and the stock might trade in a consolidation pattern within the range of 13.7 to 11.4. So fruit, let's check fruit kasi it breaks out the 1.7 level pesos per share. So bakit significant ang 1.69 level pesos per share or 1.7? Because it is the IPO price, right? So as you can see, on the last 3 trading days, there is a significant pressure, or there is a significant selling pressure sa price na 1.7 or 1.69 because it is the level of IPO price. So there are some people siguro na nakabili at the IPO price, bumagsak up to the level of 1 pesos level per share, umangat, nag-bounce back, and they wanted to get out the stocks already. So it might be na nahawakan nila na matagal at sa tingin nilang ipit sila. So they might be selling those shares, diba? So again, if you are aware of how to draw a Fibonacci retracement, diba? And from our discussion dun sa mentoring session ng Fibs, how to draw Fibonacci, we will have as you can see, you can have a immediate resistance at 0.5 Fibs 50, diba? At 1.75 level pesos per share. Nag-breakout siya, diba? For the last 2 days, but still closing at the resistance mismo na 1.75 pesos level per share. If this 1.75 pesos level per share doesn't hold, no, for quick traders, diba, or for the momentum traders, you can take profit already. And if you want to buy frutas, diba, so you can buy frutas already kasi malapit na siya sa 1.75, and much better siguro if you bought frutas at the MA9 mismo. So as you can see, MA9 is breaking out the Fibs 382, diba, which is in the 1.58 level pesos per share. So for position trader, or for you to enter in the market, if you want to buy, you can buy at 1.75 level support, or you can buy at the MA9 level support. For taking profit, if you are momentum trader, you might take profit already kapag may breakdown na sa 1.75 pesos level per share, or dun sa significant support natin which is 1.7 or the IPO price. So for position traders, as long as the MA9 holds, so hawakan nyo lang muna. But if the stocks break the MA9, well, it is taking profit already. So as you can see, 'di ba, sa volume, quite may volume, pero maliit lang yung volume niya up days, 'di ba? So that's it for now. I hope you learned so much in this video. I hope na sana natuto kayo dun sa discussion natin about AXLM, about dun kay tech, about dun kay fruit. And the objective of this discussion is for you to make money, diba? And to be more equipped with the skills and knowledge that you can use in trading and investing in the stock market. Please comment down below kung ano yung stock na gusto nyong pag-aralan natin. Even though wala ako, katulad ni AXLM, hindi ako nakabili nun. And if I receive some request na from you na if you want to learn, then I can look at the chart and I can discuss it for you. So God bless us all, and bye bye.